Yes, good evening, members. Let me hope it's a good evening. Uh, my name is Charles Ochin, and for today, I'm just here to perform some simple tasks. And I'm going just to be introducing some of the things we are going to see in the course of our presentations. Now, today we are going to introduce the general information literacy. Uh, we are going to go bit by bit into all this. As you see, from this, we are going to first begin by introducing information sources. How are they? Why? How are they relevant? And why is it wanted? And why is this thing important? Another thing is we are going to be introducing what we call the search strategy. What are these you are supposed to use? What are these strategies that you are supposed to apply when performing your research or when you're searching for something. Another thing is what we call plagiarism. We are going to see into detail of this. We are going to see how to avoid this, how to work upon it, and how to cite. Then the last one is what we call citation. Now let's go into one by one. Uh, as you see, we're going to begin with information sources. Information sources. Now here we are going to see uh, the definition of information sources. We are going to see the different types of information sources and how they come about. Here on the screen we have primary source of information, secondary source of information, tertiary source of information, and the other sources of information as well. Now we are going to get into detail of this secondary. What does it mean? Primary, what does it mean? Okay. Now let's go to what we call search strategy. What we are going here, we are going to see as you search, as you look up for something from internet, how are you supposed to bring it up to bring for you the real information you want? Those are the things we call search strategy. Now here, the thing is we are going to see how we can use the keywords to search. We are going to see the Boolean operators, the use of or, and others. Then we are going to see to the database. Now another one here, we are going to see what we call plagiarism. Now with plagiarism, mm, we are going to see how the original text look like and the plagiarized text also look like. When I perform plagiarism on someone else's work, how does it look like? We are going to get into detail of this. We are going to define this and we are going to see into this. Then another one is a proper cited text. That's just this is just a bit of introduction to all this. Another one is now how to do we avoid plagiarism, and that's why I've written there plagiarism avoidance. Now let's go ahead and see citation. Mostly in this we are going to see what we call the APA format, but also we are going to talk briefly about the Chicago and the MLA formats of citation. And I think mostly that's all I want to give. Uh, but I know during the course, as we explain this one by one, uh, we are going to understand them, though you have not yet understood, but we are going to understand their importance and why are they needed in information literacy as you study about this. How are they helpful? Now, all this will be done in different presentations. We are going to have one by one. And in this case, we're going maybe even to have like the site strategy. We can have around 2 to 3 videos because it's a little lengthy. Plagiarism, we are going to have one. Information sources, we are going to have one. Then the issue of citation, we also are going to have a number of it. Just stay tuned to this channel and always keep on subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye.